How to rotate a photo on your iPhone. That's what I'm going to show you guys today. So you can see right here that I have this image that I created using AI. And when I airdropped it to my phone, it sent it in the wrong orientation. So to fix this, what we want to do is make sure we're viewing it within our Photos app. And if you're seeing kind of like a black screen like this, you just want to tap on your screen until where you can see edit in the upper right hand corner. So we're going to tap on edit. And then inside edit, we have a couple different options here, but we want to select the one that's down on the bottom right hand corner. It has kind of like a crop symbol and two little arrows. And when we select this, then we have this menu bar up at the top. And the one that we want to use is the one with the little square with kind of like an arrow in the upper right hand corner. So this will rotate our photo, and we can keep on clicking on it or tapping on it until it's at the orientation that we want it at. So when it's at the orientation that we would like, we can go ahead and just hit done. And there we go. Now our image is rotated. It's in the correct orientation. And if this video helped you out, I will see you guys next time.